This week, the Supreme Court hears arguments on whether President Donald Trump has overstepped federal law with many of his tariffs. Trump said it would be a disaster for the United States if the justices failed to overturn lower court rulings that found he went too far in using an emergency powers law to put his tariffs in place. But the president said he won't go to the Supreme Court to hear arguments in person. Here's the president during the interview with CBS 60 Minutes.
I think it's one of the biggest decisions in the history of the Supreme Court. Other countries use tariffs against us. If we weren't able to openly and freely use tariffs against them, I'll give you an example. China. That was going to be a disaster for the world, and I was able to settle it very quickly, very easily, because I was able to use tariffs. It's total national security. No, I don't think so, because I don't want to call a lot of attention to me. It's not about me, it's about our country. I'll be going to Miami. I'm going to make a speech in front of a large group of people in Miami and said, I wanted to go so badly. I just don't want to do anything to deflect the importance of that decision.
The Justice Department has argued that the trade penalties are part of the president's power over foreign affairs, an area where the courts should not second-guess the president. But earlier this year, two lower courts found that Trump did not have power under the International Emergencies Economic Powers Act to set tariffs. Yet some judges on the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit said the emergency powers law allows the president to regulate imports during emergencies without specific limitations. The court left the tariffs in place while the Supreme Court considers the issue.